How to send a laser effect message on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send a message with a cool laser effect on your iPhone. It's super fun and easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Message app on your iPhone. Now select a conversation. And once you have selected the conversation, type a message or use an emoji. And once you have added your text and emoji, simply tap and hold on the green arrow used to send a message, and a menu will pop up with the message effect. By default, it shows bubble effect like slam and loud. Instead of that, tap screen at the top. And once you have done that, swipe through different animation. There is echo, spotlight, balloons, and much more. Keep swiping until you see lasers. And once you have found that, tap on the green arrow to send your message with a laser effect. And you will see an amazing animation with lasers flashing across the screen. It's a super cool effect, perfect for sending something exciting and playful. And if the recipient wants to replay the animation, they can simply tap the replay button that appears and they can watch it as much as they want. And it's saved in the chat for future fun. And that's how you can send a laser effect message on your iPhone. It's a fun way to make your message stand out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.